Hello, friends. Welcome to Tanu Talks. Happiness is a feeling of pleasure and positivity. Everyone wants to be happy in life. Happiness is not something ready made, it comes from your own actions. It is not something that happens to us by chance. It is a matter of choice you can make, and it is probably the smartest life choice you can make. So, there are important things to be remembered if you want to be truly happy. Never underestimate quality time with yourself. Making time for yourself is as important as devoting time to your everyday duties. No matter how busy you are, it's important to take time from your schedule to focus on yourself. This can seem hard with demands of work and family life, but it's also important to your overall well being. Instead of getting up at 6:30 a.m. to rush off for your work, get up half an hour earlier. Spend this time doing something you like and never stop improving yourself. Second thing is stop worrying and start living. You will never be truly happy if you continuously hold on to the thing that make you sad. If you want to be happy, don't dwell in the past. Don't worry about the future. Focus on living fully in the present. There are so many beautiful reasons to be happy. Remember that worrying does not actually make them better, it only affects your health. Just live in the moment and do your best. The happiest people don't have the best of everything, they just make the best of everything. The other most important thing to be remember is be grateful to what you have. Learn to appreciate what you have and never focus on what's missing. Try to find happiness in what you already have with you. The secret of being truly happy is accepting where you are in life and making the most out of every day. The other most important thing to be remember is never attach happiness to something or someone. Many people live like they are waiting for something to find a perfect love partner or to get promoted or to retire with a good pension or to get a own house. Don't postpone your happiness to a moment in the future. Life is all about enjoying the journey. You believe your happiness is dependent on that person or thing being in your life. Attachment prevents you from being happy. So, friends, you should have control over your own emotions. Happiness resides within you. Just try to find it from your soul. Stay happy and stay healthy. Thanks for watching and please subscribe for more videos.